seat 89 depicting two pieces of the same size, but the lower part will look bigger than the top piece.
That there are many shapes, different shapes, right? So, can you tell me what shape is that, or tell me or identify what shape is that? Is that a circle? Yeah, trapezoid, hexagon, decagon. What shape is that?
It is a quadrilateral.
Quad. How do you spell?
Yeah, you spell it quadrilateral.
How do you spell?
U A E U A N Q U A N D I L L
Q U A D
I
R. Quadra.
A
Huh?
Definition of equality of geometry, properties of linear equation of straight lines, and the properties of equality of angles. Second, to prove our equality of geometry, equation of straight line, and the equality of angles. The illusion associated with geometry is useful in the field of mathematics. Here are the objectives of our project. First, to study the definition of equality of geometric figures, the properties of linear equation of straight lines, and the properties of equality of angles. Second, to prove the equality of geometric shapes equal to the linear part and the equality of all angles. The illusion associated with geometry is used to prove. Here are the hypotheses of our project. It can be proved that the illusions are equal in all respects of all of the parts of the straight lines and the quality of all angles.
Here are the scope of the study in viewing of the mathematical project. Equality conquers the illusion. Their author aim to prove and explain equality.
Whatever the shape or size of the illusion, those illusions have to be geometric, straight lines, and angles are involved.
Here are the chapter 2 related documents of our project. Increasing a mathematical project, developer entitled Equality conquers the illusion mathematical project. Developer have studied textbook related paper. Also study additional internet information to get information for implementation of this mathematical project.
Third, geometry. Geometric forms can be measured or calculated easily with the rule of human creation, such as rectangle, oval circle, and bell at the shape of what mankind inventively invents. 1.1 two-dimensional geometry. Two-dimensional geometry is divided into four types: rectangular, a triangle, and a circle correspond with the following characteristics. One point two, three-dimensional geometry. Three-dimensional geometry is a three-dimensional geometry with the base or cross-section in the following shape. This is an example of three-dimensional geometry. The first is triangle. Second is quadrilateral. Next is pentagon, hexagon, pentagon, and octagon, and nonagon, and decagon. 4. Equality. 4.1. Equality of geometry. The definition of two geometric shapes is the same when one moves over another. 4.2. Equality of linear paths and the property of two straight lines are the same if straight lines are equal. Equality of angles. The angles of two angles are equal or less fixed when determining AOB and CED at AOB equal to CED as shown below. Illusion. Meaning of illusion. The perception of people is caused by the interaction between the eyes and the brain when the picture falls. Retina neuroscience is transmitted to the brain, which results in visual perception. The brain will capture information as it compared to the information contained in the memory. This is an example of illusion. First is Sunder illusion. Sunder illusion is a kind of illusion invented by French Sanders, a German psychologist, in 1926. It's a parallelogram of two shapes. The diagonal seems unequal, but the two lines are the same length.
Second, hyperbole illusion is a kind of illusion invented by Richard. Gallery is image of squares that every horizontal line, but from the color in the picture, it looks like a straight line and true also marked enough to put the line a bit.
The story illusion is an illusion created by Joseph J. Storer, an American psychologist in 1889, depicting two pieces of the same size, but the lower part will look bigger than the top piece. Here are the procedure of the project. First, study basic knowledge about geometry, section, straight line, and angles. Second, study the definition of the geometry, equality of geometry, property of linear equation of straight line, and the property of angles. Third, prove the definition of equivalence of geometry, properties of linear equation of straight lines, and the equation of angle is equal by bringing the illusion associated with geometry. The paths of the lines and angles are used to prove.
Chapter 4. Here are the result of operations. First, study basic knowledge about geometry, section of straight line and angles. Table 1 shows geometry, section of straight line and angles, and corner.
Table 2. The definition of equality of geometry, property of linear equation of straight line, and the property of equality of angle.
Chapter 5. Here are the conclusion, discussion, result, and recommendations. Project summary. It can be proved that the illusions are equal in respect of the geometric equation.
Of the paths of the straight lines and the equality of all angles, the method used is proven to use the definition of the equality of geometry, the properties of linear equation of straight lines and angles. This is exactly what the math project's creator has proved. This cut the outcome of the project. Proof can be concluded that equality of geometry equal to the linear path and the equality of all angles. The illusion associated with geometry can use prove it. The illusion that is not equal when proven there are body size and shape.
You understand? Fighting. The judges will fight too.
This is the picture. We make it this project.
The first project I understand, but this one I don't understand.
Wow.
Thank you for listening.
Okay.
Teacher Isidro na first.
The first question.
Microphone. Teacher Butsaba.
It's okay, it's okay.
Anything about the
No,
answer?
no, okay. No, you can use this one.
Okay. The first question. What's your project and why do we need to learn about it?
We need to learn about the illusion because we need to know about three-dimensional geometry and two-dimensional geometry. It can be used in our daily life.
Use daily life. Oh, Teacher Isidro.
Oh.
I don't know na.
All right. So you're showing us about are these the examples, right?
Yes, this is the example of the illusion.
Example number 4. What shape is that? How many shapes are there? Oh, is that a shape? What kind of shape?
Shape is a rectangle triangle.
What shape is that? You mentioned a while ago that there are many shapes, different shapes, right? So, can you tell me what shape is that, or tell me or identify what shape is that? Is that a circle? Yeah, trapezoid, hexagon, decagon. What shape is that?
Mongoloid.
It is a quadrilateral.
Quad. How do you spell?
Yeah, you spell it. Quadrilateral.
How do you spell?
U A E U A N
Abinabo ka ba?
Q U A N D I
Huh?
L
Q U A D
I
R. Quadra.
A
A.
I.
Okay. I.
D I
Quadri.
I.
D R I
D-R-I.
L-A.
N A
L-A.
L A
Quadrilla.
T-E.
T-E.
R A L S.
Wow, quadrilla. Congratulations.
Okay, so can you show me the second board? Okay. So in that board, can you please tell me why did you say that that's an illusion?
Because the two circles are not the same.
The two circles are not the same, and then
This will look bigger than this because it is bigger than this.
so you mean the two red circles? They are not the same measurement, right?
They are the same, but it look like it's not the same.
See, so how about the blue circles? What's the purpose of those? The blue circles.
It makes the red circle seems like it's bigger or it's smaller than.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay, thank you.
Alright, thank